Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the power of timing and targeting on Amazon. Let's get into it. On Amazon, getting the right customer at the right time is often what makes a product successful. Timing and targeting are two of the most important things when it comes to advertising, launching, or even listing your products. Many sellers focus only on broad keywords or big seasonal moments, but the real power lies in understanding specific buying moments and matching your targeting to them. For example, think of a product like sunscreen. Everyone knows sunscreen is popular in the summer, but demand isn't just seasonal, it's situational. A parent looking for sunscreen for their child before a beach day is searching at a very specific time, probably with very specific concerns like best sunscreen for sensitive baby skin. If your ad appears too late or you're targeting the wrong terms, they won't see you. And often shoppers don't use the obvious words. They may search how to prevent sunburn or aloe vera after sun. These searches are indirect but still show clear intent to purchase something related to sun protection. If you're only targeting sunscreen, you're missing a whole set of potential customers who are already in buying mode. This becomes even more important when selling unique products. One brand we worked with sold UV stickers that tell users when to reapply sunscreen, but people weren't actively searching for stickers like that. Instead, they were searching for how to avoid sunburn or how often they should reapply sunscreen. So we focused our efforts there, where the conversation was already happening. That brought better results than trying to push the product with its technical name. Another good example is from the wellness space. A brand we worked with sold essential oils that were designed to affect mood. Some helped with sleep, others with concentration. The problem? Most people didn't know oils could do that. So if we only targeted diffuser oil, the message was lost. But once we targeted search terms like how to sleep better, natural focus boosters, or work stress remedies, people understood the product much better and conversion rates improved. Even with ads, timing matters. When you show your ad is just as important as who sees it. If someone is actively researching a solution and your product shows up right then, they're more likely to click and buy. If they see it too late, even if the ad is perfect, the moment is gone. In short, think beyond product features. Think about the problems your product solves. Then find out how and when people talk about those problems, whether in search, in social media, or in other online conversations. That will help you adjust both your ad timing and your keyword targeting for better results. When you do both right, you reach people who are ready to buy, not just those who are casually browsing. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.